Alright, so today we're replacing this guy, 4-ton carrier unit, 21 inches, and of course ours is 24 for whatever reason. But yeah, wiring straightforward. The unit itself shouldn't be too bad. I don't like that how that's set up because it doesn't have a box. But of course, I didn't get a box. And when I called to get a 24 box, nowhere close had it, so I'm probably gonna wind up just putting that back on the way it was and adapting it. Luckily, it's a large enough flex where it pretty much covers the entire coil. Drains, they go right there if my phone will focus. The only thing that sucks is I gotta take the electrical off, cap it, because of course it runs up and then ties right in with my electrical for my lighting and everything, so yeah, fun day. And of course outside it is literally downpouring outside. So everything's all sticky and sweaty and wet. But at least the attic, again, if my phone will stop being a piece of junk. What the hell? Come on. Everything is at least plywooded up here. So it's not too bad. So hopefully we can get in and out of here and I can get home. Because I hate working in the rain. But all right, yeah, let's get started. All right, so we got the door off. It's still working. I'm still making cooling the house down, but not as efficient. But yeah, you can see this thing is very, very moldy. It's caked on the wires. The blower wheel itself doesn't look bad, but you can see everything in there is like all this mold. Damn, I've never seen it on the plastic plug like that before. But yeah, everything's moldy and kind of gross. So, damn allergies. But yeah, good old mold. All right, so I got the blower out, which you can see right here. It's all mold, gunk, and just shit. Which, if you look at it, it's not fully coated. I've actually seen a lot worse than that. That's not even the worst thing I've seen, but that's still pretty bad. You can see the chunks in the corner there, all nasty, dusty, moldy, and yeah, so this is definitely pretty gross. All right, so I just got the back piece off, but if you look at this, like, look at that. That is just chunks of mold and dirt. Like, that is fucking super clogged. Yeah, that is, and that's just shit that you're breathing in. That's just nasty stuff that you're breathing in. This whole thing is definitely just completely gross, covered in mold, everything just nasty. So at least if we look in there, that's pretty good. That's just dusty, which that's normal. So at least that's not bad. I have yet to take this stuff off to check the ductwork, but that's probably also good. But yeah, so fun stuff taking this all apart. Okay, got it all out. Got the unit there. Coil still attached because it's still being pumped down. But the one good thing about having a window in an attic is you can just yeet most of the shit right out the window. Saves a lot of time and a lot of effort versus going up and down, 3 whole flights of stairs. So I'll just have to carry that down. It does fit, but I should carry that down. Excuse me. So yeah, just gotta get the pan up, unit up, and start making some magic happen. So fun. And now I got a fan because it's very hot up here. All right, well, we now have this big fucking monster in here because we couldn't get the smaller size, so now I have to make a bunch of adaptations. I think that's a word. Well, whatever. I gotta adapt a shitload of stuff. I gotta put the safety down there, still little rubber vibration pads. That's the only thing that actually lined back up is the emergency drain. But holy crap, dude, that thing was such a pain in the ass to get up the stairs. It was ridiculous because it's so much bigger and it is a tiny house when it comes to doorways and stuff, because this house is like 18 63 or something. But holy crap, man. So, yeah. Now I gotta make this big guy work. Really wish I had a box, but of course I don't. So I'm just gonna do the best I can with what I have, unfortunately, and make it work good for him. Alright, so we got the electrical in. We're using the 240 switch that was already existing. I'm just doing all the low voltage now. We got that brazed in, which right now it looks like shit. We gotta clean that all up. Well, that's all existing, but yeah, we gotta clean it up because it was a flush line set. I gotta get some PVC for the drain, wire that safety in as well. But other than that, yeah, this is it's pretty straightforward. Pretty nice attic, like I said before, for a Monday, even though it's Tuesday. So, but yeah, we're getting there. I'm just taking my my time. Just tired from the other day. So we're slowly but surely getting there. Okie dokie, we are up and running. I forgot I had to put a Remy UV light on. They're pretty easy, and then you just hook them up to 24 volts or put a transformer in there. But yeah, we're running now. I'm just checking the pressures and everything. I got my little guy there doing the split now. Safeties are good. This one's nice because it goes connects right to an app, so I'm able to do all the fan speeds and everything right from the phone. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this big guy. So once I get all my pressures and test everything, I go down and check the filter, because most people don't change the filters half the time. And yeah, then I'll be good to go. Not bad for a day back after like a little vacay. So, but yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.